Hey everyone, welcome to Dubventures and welcome to another video. It's Brooke's birthday. Happy birthday, Brooke. And what are we doing for your birthday? We're going to the Yorkshire Dales. Thor's really excited, so let's get over there. We're staying at a campsite, so we've got a lot to do today, so let's go. Fuel tank. £129 of fuel, that'll get us to the Yorkshire Dales and back and get the diesel heater running all weekend. So just in case I didn't mention it before, which I don't think I did, we're going for 2 days, is it, Brooke?
Yep.
2 days for Brooke's birthday, so let's get to the campsite. Yes. Love is in the air! Love is in the air! Yes, Yorkshire Dales, let's do it! This is home for the night, so to show you, got this pitch here, nice and chilling here, isn't it? Yeah. So right, we need to take Thor for a walk before we do anything. First things first, let's get the, what are they called? Thermal blinds, let's get the thermal blinds on. So guys, the intention of this weekend is to relax, isn't it? We've come away just like for the weekend, just to relax.
Actually do nothing.
To do nothing, and it's Brooke's birthday, and Thor wants his food. It's tea time for him, so, and I think there's some dogs out there as well.
Tom's making me pizza. I've just had my pizza, which was delicious, and now Tom said he's got something in the fridge for me. What could that be, Tom?
I got us some cheesecake.
Ooh, and that one's definitely mine.
Yes. Having a kitchen unit is. I mean, it's the first time we've used it and it's just so much easier. Now, in a previous video I did say that we couldn't find any thermal window blinds, you know, because for the big windows here, but what we've done is we're just using the ones that we had like in the other camper van that we had, and you know what, you can cut them to size and we'll just put them in there and throw that across there, and you know what? It's better than nothing, so, right, the curtains will hold this in, so, yes.
Right guys, we're just going to chill now, so I'll see you in the morning.
Yes, we're just going to relax and watch a movie. Happy birthday to Brooke. Everyone, the weather today, it's not the best, is it, Brooke?
No.
Not at all. So that gives us an opportunity to organise some more of like trips that we're doing, because next week we're going doing the NC 500.
Yeah.
And we've got a lot to organise for the trip next year that we're doing. And before we do the European road trip, there's lots of other trips that we need to organise.
Trip,
yeah.
So we haven't been to Wales for a while, so that's definitely on the list for next year.
But here's something interesting. Not been to Wales for a long time. I've got to go to Wales in a couple of days. You're going to find out in another video what that's all about. But we are so excited. Yeah, that's all I'm saying. It took us a long time to do this, but I'm actually doing it in a couple of days, and I've got to go to Wales to sort this out. So, but you'll see what that is. Right, so what we're going to do now, look at Thor, he's loving van life. Yeah, we're just going to relax, and you know, because that's why we've come away, isn't it? You know, this weekend for us, Brooke's birthday.
It wasn't about exploring this weekend.
What? You know, expect the camera to be there then.
It's supposed to be that close to
It's
them.
not close.
It wasn't about like going out exploring this weekend. It was basically just to come away, just to chill, to actually do absolutely nothing, and to get some organising sorted.
Yeah, because you know,
we always organise better when we're away in the van.
Yeah, and this is one of the things with van life. You know, it's good to come away and like just relax and do nothing, because we're used to like being out exploring, going places, but it's just nice, isn't it? Like you just said, just to do nothing. Yeah. Guys, we've only gone and got ourselves a EcoFlow River 2. Now, with all the power stations that we have to run certain things in the van, we wanted a portable one, didn't we? That's going to allow
like
us a small one that we can just like use, you know, to charge things on the go. This EcoFlow River 2, it charges from 0 to 100% in under an hour. Now, there is a lot of different power stations on the market, but these ones are affordable, aren't they? Yeah. And the good thing is they come with a 5-year warranty.
So on that note, my phone needs charging. Chop chop.
Okay, I'll plug this in for you. Guys, as we said before, we've just been chilling out, relaxing. It's a few hours later. We're just going to have a quick bite to eat. Going to watch some movies and things. Do you know what? We're signing out for the day, and we're going to see you guys in the morning. Morning, everyone. Still raining, but nowhere near as much as it has been for the past few days. So what we're going to do, we're just going to try and like give Thor a bit of a decent walk before we leave here, because for the past few days we've not really been anywhere, have we? Which we said, you know, it's been nice and relaxing, and we've really enjoyed it, haven't we?
Yep.
So, but yes, so let's see if we can find someone to go for a quick walk near here. You know what? This is just what we needed, isn't it?
Yeah, nice,
just,
relaxing weekend.
Just a nice, relaxing breakaway. And I keep saying it, we've not done that much, but this is part of van life that we don't really do things like this. You know, we're normally, if we stay at a campsite, we're normally doing it because we're exploring.
Yeah, we
and
just literally wanted to come away just to get away.
Yeah,
just to relax before our big long adventure.
And we have organised a lot of things, haven't we? We've managed to get a lot of different things sorted and spend time doing things. Yeah, exactly. So. It's Halloween sun this weekend as well, isn't it? So guys, that's it for this video. Lots more to come. The next videos that we've got coming, like I said, I've got to travel somewhere to get something. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. From the Yorkshire Dales, until the next one, guys.